The application process for William Peace University for the undergraduate students, we try to keep very straightforward and as simple as possible to remove barriers for students. So we're test optional to better allow students to best represent themselves in the application process. Some students don't test well, but they took a really rigorous academic program and they do well in their courses. And frankly, that often is the best indicator of success in college. Rolling admissions means that we admit students throughout the year. Block review is for different colleges, other colleges and universities that have specific deadlines for the application, and then they release all their decisions at one time. But we release them, students don't have to wait, and they can apply later in the process because we like to give them that window in case things change in life. There's absolutely nothing more important than visiting the campus. You can read about it, get all the facts and figures, sure, online, but you have to step on the campus to get that feeling, a sense for who we are, where we are, what we're like, what other students are like on campus. Sometimes those informal conversations while you're on campus are the most informative. So definitely visiting the campus. And ours is really beautiful in downtown Raleigh.